Hello friends, have you ever pressed your cruise control button but nothing happened? Or maybe your check engine light suddenly turned on? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0565, it means there's an issue with the cruise control on signal. This can lead to cruise control failure, unpredictable acceleration, or even affect fuel efficiency. In this video, I'll explain what P0565 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0565 code stands for Cruise Control on Signal Malfunction. Your car's cruise control system relies on the steering wheel switch, wiring, and PCM to engage and maintain speed. When the PCM detects an incorrect or missing signal when you press the cruise control on button, it triggers P0565. This can lead to cruise control not working, erratic speed control, or loss of system response. Common symptoms of P0565. Cruise control not turning on, check engine light, CEL, is on, cruise control buttons not responding. Sudden disengagement of cruise control while driving, erratic acceleration or deceleration when using cruise control. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the issue. To diagnose P0565, check these key components. Cruise control switch, also called multifunction switch. Location, on the steering wheel, usually with other controls like volume and phone buttons, clock spring or steering column wiring. Location, inside the steering column, behind the steering wheel connecting cruise control buttons to the car's computer. PCM, the Powertrain Control Module. Location, usually in the engine bay, near the fuse box or under the dashboard, processing cruise control signals. Cruise control actuator, also called throttle body control in electronic systems. Location, near the throttle body, controlling engine speed when cruise control is engaged. Wiring and connectors. Location, running from the steering wheel to the PCM and actuator under the dashboard. Tip: if your steering wheel buttons stop working suddenly, a damaged clock spring may be the issue. Common causes of P0565. Faulty cruise control switch. The on button may not send signals properly. Broken or worn clock spring. Interrupts communication between steering wheel buttons and the PCM. Loose or corroded wiring connectors. Damaged wires can stop the on signal from reaching the PCM. PCM-ECM malfunction. A rare cause, but if the PCM can't process signals, it may trigger P0565. Aftermarket steering wheel mods. Custom steering wheels with missing wiring can trigger this code. How to fix P0565. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0565 and check for related codes. Step 2. Test the cruise control switch using a multimeter. Ensure the on button sends proper voltage signals. Step 3. Inspect the clock spring for damage. If other steering wheel buttons don't work, it may need replacement. Step 4. Check wiring and connectors under the dashboard for loose or damaged connections. Step 5. Inspect the PCM and reset it if necessary. Sometimes an update can resolve the issue. Step 6. Test the cruise control actuator to ensure it receives proper commands. Ignoring P0565 can make your cruise control unreliable, affecting comfort and even fuel efficiency. Fixing it early keeps your car running smoothly. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0376. Timing reference signal intermittent. P0377. Timing reference signal. No signal. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.